Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you. Make sure Vscode and Git are installed, and verify Git version in the integrated terminal. Next, prepare a GitHub account and generate a personal access token with reposcope. This token lets Vscode authenticate securely. Once done, open your project folder in Vscode and enable the Git and GitHub extensions. These steps let you start connecting repositories without wasting time on later configuration. You now authenticate and bring code into Vscode. Use the command palette to run GitHub. Sign in, then choose token authentication and paste your PAT when prompted. This creates a secure connection. Once authenticated, clone a repo via command palette or initialize with Git init, add files, and commit. After that, add a remote using git remote add origin repo URL and push your branch with git push uorigin main. These steps link your local workspace to GitHub. Finish by syncing and validating the connection so collaboration flows. Use the source control view to stage, write clear commits, and push. Make sure you pull first to incorporate remote changes. Git pull rebase keeps history tidy. If you set up CI, verify workflows run after pushing. If something goes wrong, check the error. For authentication failures, regenerate the personal access token with correct scopes and re-sign in via the command palette. This resolves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.